Have you struggled to stay consistent with your quiet time with God? Maybe you start a Bible plan or a devotional and you stay with it for a few days or weeks and then drift off until it feels like you're just ticking a box. I'm Bev Jessup and I help Christian emptiness women move from feeling overwhelmed, distant from God and unsure of their creative voice to a life of peace, purpose and vibrant faith through my spirit-led sketch method that blends simple Bible study, art journaling and prayerful creativity. I'm on a mission to go through the Gospel of Matthew chapter by chapter, and in each video you'll watch me illustrate the chapter in watercolour while I share reflective questions and ask you creative spirit-led questions so that you can paint, pray and journal along with me. If you haven't seen previous chapters yet, please subscribe to the channel and tap the bell notification so that you won't miss any future episodes. And let's get onto this journey step by step. Let's get to it. Part of being disciplined with reading the Bible is to actually do it yourself. And so I would like you to pause the video and read Matthew 16 on your own. And then afterwards, you'll be able to see me creating a piece of art and reflecting on it as I do so. So I see you there. Creative part with the pens and the watercolours, I'd love to invite you into something special. I've created a free 36-minute creative calm workshop at christianartjournaling.com/free workshop. Inside you'll discover a spirit-led 3-step framework to hear God's voice creatively. Learn how to release anxiety with simple watercolour and scripture, and create a page you'll love even if you think you can't draw. It's the perfect next step after reflecting on today's Bible reading. Just click the link in the description to watch it anytime. Now let's get to our colours and start creating together. This painting might look simple, just one word, one colour, but honestly, it was one of the hardest ones I've done so far. When I sat down to reflect on Matthew 18, I thought about all the ways Jesus calls us to forgive those who hurt us, those who misunderstand us, those who never even say sorry. And if I'm honest, that's not easy. Forgiveness sounds beautiful in theory, but in practice, it costs something. That's probably why I didn't reach for bright colours or soft shapes this time, teddy bears or sheep. Instead, I used red, the colour of blood, the colour of pain, and yet also the colour of love. Because when Jesus spoke about forgiveness, he wasn't speaking from a distance. He lived it, he bled it. And as the red paint spreads across the paper, I thought about how forgiveness spreads too. Once we stop trying to control it and let it flow. At first, I tried to make it neat and contained, but that's not what forgiveness looks like, is it? It's messy, unpredictable, costly, and yet completely freeing. I didn't want to paint sort of sheep and love hearts and squidgy things for this chapter, even though that's what most people associate with Matthew 18, the lost one that Jesus leaves the 99 for. Because for me, forgiveness is another kind of rescue. When we forgive, we're the ones being found again. We're set free from carrying the weight that keeps us lost. The word forgive sits right at the centre, imperfectly outlined. surrounded by swirls and scribbles of Posca pen, because that's what forgiveness often feels like. We don't do it perfectly. We just try again. And somewhere in the middle of that surrender, God meets us. So I want you to just take some time and reflect and journal. Who is God inviting you to forgive, even quietly in your heart? What lost sheep moment have you lived through where grace found you again? And how does remembering Jesus' sacrifice soften your view towards others and towards yourself? Forgiveness doesn't erase the past, but it redeems it. It paints over pain with love. And sometimes even the simplest word, forgive, becomes the most powerful prayer we can pray. And if today's time with the word blessed you, then you might like to go a little bit deeper with the workbook study guide, which is up here, and I've left the link down in the description. It pairs up beautifully with every video in this series, and you'll find that link down below. So if you are longing for more than just a single video and you want to join a community of like a global sisterhood of women who love joining their creativity with their faith, then come and join us in the Creative Sanctuary. We have Bible studies, live co-creates, and as I said, the community that come together to paint and to pray and to just grow together each week. So all the links are right below, and all the tools and things like that that I use are down below as well. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments, and maybe tell me what resonated with you in Matthew. And if you want to watch the previous chapters, you'll see the videos up here somewhere. And I can't wait for you to meet all the people in the Creative Sanctuary and see you in the next chapter. Bye for now.